And now, here is Wonder Woman and Low Vision Beauty.
Hello, and welcome back to part 2 of Brushless Beauty, the Complexion. Yes, the saga continues. Today we're going to have some fun with color. Now in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating blush application with a little bit of contour and highlight thrown in for fun. So whether you have good vision, not so good vision, low vision like myself, I am offering detailed instructions so that you feel confident in your application. I also speak slowly during these instructional videos so that you don't have to stop and pause and restart quite so many times, and hopefully not at all. So I'm now going to tuck my hair behind my ears, and you know what that means. Uh-oh, she's serious now, not playing. Now, without further ado, on with the video. Now let's get on to something a lot more fun. And again, this is just to gain your confidence in me that I can help you, I want to help you, and it's just fun. Let's try it. Come on, we can do it. Right now I just want to show you that it's possible. And so anyway, I have this kit from Maybelline. It's a Master Studio kit where when you open it up, wait a minute, I thought I heard something. Do you hear that? What? Well, there's a brush in here. Wait a minute, isn't this brushless beauty, meaning no brushes? All right, what are you doing here? Who let you in? Did the bouncer check your ID? Answer me. All right, well, I'll tell you what. You sneak out the back door, it'll be our secret. Yeah, I know, nobody told you. You're coming in another video. Don't cry, it's all right. I won't tell, you're not in trouble, all right? Okay, all right. Bye! All right, and there goes our little friend. All right, now, with a triangular shaped sponge, a wedge, if you will, there you go. Notice that the structure of the wedge, this is pliable because it's on its thinnest end. There's not a whole lot of sponge to it to give it support, and that's good because we need that part to be soft. Now, the firmer edge, where it's the thickest, that's important for laying down color on the actual cheekbone. All right, so here we go. Highlight, color, contour. Now, but what I want to create is an enhanced face color, cheeks, you know what I mean, the blush thing. So, because I want that to be the softest, I'm using the long end of the sponge that has the least amount of strength, the most pliable end, and so I know where my cheekbones are. Okay, so I'm going to go right on top of that cheekbone. By that meaning I've been applying makeup to myself for 45 plus years. Yes, I am that old. In May of this year is 2020. It's currently January 2020 at the time of this filming. I'm going back and forth without losing contact with the skin. I will be 60 years old. So with that being said, you know, sure, I'm comfortable with where my bone structure is, how it's situated and things like that. And I'm going to show you how to feel confident when applying makeup to your own unique bone structure without feeling timid or anything like that. That's coming up in video number 4. The number 1 video is my welcome video. So there you have it. Okay, let's get to it. Now with the short, blunt, firmer end, that's the end I'm going to use for the color. This is going on the cheekbone. And I'm going to, when I'm looking into the mirror, I have a 10 times magnification, by the way, directly under the iris. And for me, it's about 1 to 2 fingers away from the nose. I'm already very familiar with that. So just to show you where I want it to stop, it's going to go from that point to the part of the ear where the hairline meets. That's where we're going to continue from here to there. Okay, I'm starting in the middle of the cheekbone, and you'll see why. I have a chance to stop, and most of the color, remember I was saying the first place you apply the applicator with product on it is going to be the area that applies the most product, the most color in this case. So I'm going circular up to the top of the ear and back, stopping under the iris. See that? Okay, let's do the other side. We'll finish this up. La. All right, here we go. I'm looking under the iris. That's where I want to stop. I'm going to the middle. Turn it sideways so I don't get too long of a colored area. And I'm going in circular motions. Why am I going in circular motions as opposed to striping back and forth? So I don't get stripes. We don't want that. We just want a flush of color that doesn't really have a defined shape. It's a flush. It's a blush. A flush of blush. I'm going to leave the stripes to the zebras. They're so beautiful. All right. Okay, so now for the final part, the contour, I'm going to use the edge of the, okay, see how we had the flat end for the blush application? Well, one of the corners of the short flat end, like so, is going to be for the bronzer slash contour. I'm going to go underneath the cheekbone again, the hairline at the top of the ear, and I'm going to stop fish face where I feel the cheekbone has ended. And again, I'm very familiar with that because I'm comfortable with it. So I'm going to start in the middle of that area and lightly brush upward. Why are we going upward, Wanda Woman? Glad you asked. If I were to apply this going down, I'll land up with it on the jawline. You can bring your face too far down. So we want to blend these colors harmoniously so that we don't look like Neapolitan ice cream. What's that? You know when you see the vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry ice cream all in a row in the carton? Yeah, it's fun to eat, but we don't want to wear that on our face. All right, let's rock and roll this. Okay, here we go, sliding down to the middle, and up we go. I'm using a sponge. Okay, now let's talk about that. All right, Wanda Woman, you've got these fabulous sponges. What are you going to do with them when you finish? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you. As soon as we finish up on the forehead, I'm going to show you that these are washable. Yes. I purchased these sponges and all the makeup used in this video with my own money. I'm just starting out on my channel. Nobody has heard of me yet. Nobody knows me. And when I say nobody, I'm talking about corporations, makeup corporations. I hope that changes one day. I hope they do find out about me. But I'm saying that because, you know, if I can demonstrate with their products to people like you and me, that's what I'm here for, to demonstrate. I'm not a salesperson. That was in my previous life. I'm here as an instructor. This is not a paid sponsorship by any means. Like I said, all items I purchase with my own money, and I've owned these products for some time. This is just what I feel is tried and true. Okay, so when I started out, all I had on was mascara on the top lashes, liner underneath the lower lashes, and lip gloss. That's all I had. So what I did on the forehead was just, well, you saw up and down, backwards, forwards, swirling, because I want to decrease the amount of real estate between my hairline and my eyebrows. Speaking of eyebrows, speaking of bareMinerals, this is a mascara that I'm going to use the word expired because I've used it. Plenty. I loved this mascara on my lashes. But now it's to the point where I've just about used it up, and it's not really in the same consistency to be used on the lashes any longer. But guess what? In my first welcome video, this is what I have on my eyebrows. So it will remove any powder product that may have landed on it. and I'm just lightly flicking where I have my natural eyebrow hair. So, I do use eyebrow pencil most of the time, but on days where I need a little more speed into getting the look done, this is a nice touch. Now, as a word of caution, because I'm all about health and safety, do not, this is a rule for your safety, do not use the same tube on your eyebrows as you do on your eyelashes. The reason being is for bacterial transfer. So, see how easy and quick that is? This side needs a little more help. And don't worry, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do eyebrows with a pencil. Don't worry, it's coming. These initial videos are just to show you that it's possible. Yeah, but Wonder Woman, you're looking in a mirror. Yes, it's 10 times magnification. Just so you know that I'm going to put my money where my mouth is, on video number 4, I'm going to apply makeup with my eyes closed. And that's to show you that even a sightless woman, or a woman who has very little sight, but wants to feel and look pretty and enjoy how she feels in any social setting, and I don't know, feel a little more accepted in society, just because you can. It's not to please other people, it's to make yourself feel like you're part of a culture. It restores confidence, and you know inside that you've done something good for yourself, not only physically to enhance your looks, but emotionally and physically. You know, you're taking care of yourself, you're pampering yourself a little bit. That's it. So, I cannot wait to do more videos. I just hope I don't bore you to tears, but please, if you know anyone who suffers with low vision, maybe legally blind, very little sight, you know the drill. And even if someone has no sight problems at all, but they want in-depth makeup tutorials, I'm your Wonder Woman. I'm just here to instruct and help anyone, and if I can help one person, then I achieve my goal. But I hope to, honestly, I hope and pray that I can help many more than just one. So that'll be up to you and me to get the word out that there is a resource for those of us who need that type of help, that type of patient with an element of fun and humor, that type of video. So in the meantime, till next time, I'm Wonder Woman, and I want you to take care, and God bless. Thank you.